Alright, let's get straight into it because you already seen the title and you've already seen the thumbnail. So, reasons to learn Python in 2024, why everyone should learn it. Reason number one is because it's very beginner friendly. So, Python is normally recommended as a first programming language for beginners because its syntax is very easy to read. It basically reads like English. Thus, if you're someone who has never programmed before, then Python could be a great way to get into it. Reason number two, it's the main language used to create AI. So unless you've been living under a rock, you know that we live in an AI age now with ChatGPT going crazy. Gemini, OpenAI just released a new model, GPT 4.0. So AI is like the biggest tech trend right now, and it's definitely going to be something that we'll all use in the future, and it allows our lives to be a lot easier. So if you want to get involved with AI, machine learning, even data science, then Python is 100% the language for that. Reason three is that you can build some really cool stuff with it. So Python is a great tool to build cool stuff like scripts that help automate boring tasks like filling out Excel sheets or organizing files on your computer and other stuff. I think there's also a book called Automating the Boring Stuff with Python. You can check it out, and they also have a website, I think. You can also get into web development using Django or Flask, which are both back-end related frameworks. You can also do web scraping with a library called Beautiful Soup. You can do game development with Pygame, and just so many other things thanks to the wide variety of libraries and frameworks with Python. The last reason four, is that Python has a great community full of developers who are really good, who just really love Python. They will happily help you with any problems that you have. There's also some good open source projects involving Python which can contribute to, but overall Python community is really just good. There's websites, like I think there's a website called Real Python, that's a really good one. There's podcasts, videos, whatever. Like Python just has a great community filled with a ton of support for this language. And that's basically it. So to summarize it, Python is very beginner friendly. The syntax is very easy to read. It reads like English. So it's great for someone to get into programming. It's the main language used to create AI and get involved in machine learning and data science. You know, we live in an AI day and age now, so that's a great language to learn. You can build cool stuff with it. You can build scripts that automate stuff. You can build games, you can do web scraping, you can do web development. And four, it has a great community, great support for this language, and a ton of very experienced developers.